All right, so you want to be an AWS Solutions Architect? Let's get into the ultimate guide for that.
The cloud is everywhere, right? But how do you actually prove you've got the skills to succeed?
Well, it usually starts with one key credential. It's pretty much the industry benchmark.
Yep, that's the SAA-C03. It proves you can build secure, tough, and cost-effective cloud solutions.
But here's the thing. Passing the exam, totally different from actually mastering the job. It's that gap between textbook knowledge and solving messy, real-world business problems.
And this guide is all about bridging that gap, turning theory into real-world skill. So if you're a dev, an IT pro, whatever, this gives you a clear path.
Because the real goal isn't just a cert, right? It's being ready for the actual job.
Your path has 3 key steps. Know the core services, learn the patterns, then apply it all.
You'll learn to build tough systems, nail down security, and totally optimize for cost and performance.
And the end game? Confidence. The kind you need to design powerful solutions that just work. This kind of expertise, it opens doors to the best jobs, putting you right at the center of the action.
But you know who's guiding you? Well, this guide is from legit industry insiders.
The lead author is Neelam Koshiya. She's a tech leader with tons of real-world cloud expertise.
And get this, she holds 9 AWS certifications. That's some serious platform knowledge right there. She's a principal at AWS and an award-winning speaker, so you're getting it straight from the source.
And she's joined by co-author Jing Ning, who's a specialist in hot fields like AI and data science.
So, look, this is way more than just an exam guide. It's a roadmap to mastering the craft.
It's really designed to make you a leader, an innovator in this cloud-first world we're in.
So the roadmap's right here. The real question is, are you ready to start building?